guru in English?
Teacher.
Nice, very good. How do you say bidan?
I don't know.
You don't know, teacher? Kita siapkan, ada gambarnya, karena memang ada yang lebih bisa paham dengan bentuk visual. If you know English, you can learn some Indonesian. Kalau bisa bahasa Inggris, bisa belajar bahasa Indonesia di sini. If you don't know, so let's learn together Indonesian to English.
Fish.
Fisher,
Man.
fisherman.
Fisherman.
What is fish?
Ikan.
Okay, fish is ikan, fisherman, manusia ikan. Yo, assalamualaikum, hai, my name is Badai, seorang guru random yang suka main game. Pada video ini kita istirahat dulu main gamenya karena kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris dari nol besar. Buat yang pengen bisa, inilah saatnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, Mr. Badai. Belajar dulu, belajar lagi. So in today's meeting, I am accompanied by my sister. What is your name?
Baik. Mujraimi.
Okay, this is Baik Mujraimi. I call her Yo, Muyo. She is my sister. Welcome to our first series. This is our first series for learning about English vocabulary from basic. Selamat datang di seri terbaru kita, seri yang baru kita buat, yang bernama Belajar Bahasa Inggris dari Nol, Pasti Bisa Tanpa Kursus. Atau Belajar Bahasa Inggris dari Nol Tanpa Kursus Pasti Bisa. Dimana pada seri ini kita akan belajar kosakata terlebih dahulu yang paling sederhana, yang akan kita buat menjadi beberapa kelompok kata. Ada nanti kata-kata benda, noun, ada kata kerja, verb, ada kata sifat, adjective, dan lain-lain. Kemudian masing-masing kelompok kata itu akan kita buatkan subkategorinya. Seperti pada kata benda, noun, itu ada banyak. Ada kata benda yang kelompoknya tentang tempat, hospital, house, mosque, school, itu yang berkaitan dengan tempat. Ada juga kata benda yang berkaitan dengan furniture, fan, kipas angin, key, kunci, plate, dan lain-lain. Pada kesempatan ini kita akan membahas kata benda yang berkaitan dengan pekerjaan. Apa basisnya pekerjaan? Profession atau yes, very good, nice pronunciation. Jadi pekerjaan itu dalam bahasanya adalah profession atau job atau occupation. Pernah belajar sebelumnya tentang kata benda pekerjaan? Oke, kalau memang pernah, sekarang kita akan pelajari 20 kosakata vocabulary noun tentang pekerjaan. Namun sebelum itu kita akan tes dulu the understanding of my sister, sejauh mana my sister paham kosakata tentang pekerjaan. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Please tell me, or pretest dulu ya. Please tell me, how do you say guru in English?
Teacher.
Nice, very good. How do you say bidan? You don't know? Oh my God, you don't know. Okay, let's go to number 3. Petani.
Farmer.
Oh, 100% correct. How do you say pedagang?
Seller.
Nice. How do you say penjaga gedung atau penjaga sekolah?
I don't know.
You don't know? How do you say sekolah? School. How do you say penjaga? Security school. Maybe good idea. Tebakan yang baik. Coba lihat nanti. Let's start our study. Kita mulai belajar kita. So this is our first picture. Kita siapkan, ada gambarnya karena memang ada yang lebih bisa paham dengan bentuk visual. If you know English, you can learn some Indonesian. Kalau bisa bahasa Inggris, bisa belajar bahasa Indonesia di sini. If you don't know, so let's learn together Indonesian to English. We will practice our speaking also, biar nanti ada bunyinya biar yang bisa paham. So ready?
Ready.
Repeat after me. Okay, doctor. Doctor.
Doctor.
Okay, doctor. Doctor.
Doctor.
Let's read the example. He is a doctor.
He is a doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
He is a doctor.
He is a doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
He artinya apa?
Ya, laki-laki.
Laki-laki itu ya. Oke, nomor 1 sudah khatam. Let's go to number 2. Teacher.
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 Guru.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Guru.
Okay. Please read the example for me, Miss Jo.
She is a teacher.
Uh-huh.
I want to be a teacher.
Very good. One more time, please.
She is a teacher.
What is the meaning?
Dia adalah seorang guru.
Uh-huh.
I want to be a teacher.
Uh-huh. What is the meaning?
Saya ingin menjadi seorang guru.
Nice, you are smart. Give me 5. Let's go to number 3. Nurse.
Nurse,
Nurse.
nurse,
Nurse.
nurse,
Perawat.
perawat,
Okay. How to say perawat in English?
nurse.
Nurse. Okay. Read the example for me.
My sister is a nurse.
Uh-huh.
I meet a nurse.
Uh-huh. What is the meaning? My sister is a nurse.
Kakak saya
Aha.
adalah seorang perawat.
Uh-huh. I meet a nurse. Aku
menemui
Aha.
seorang perawat.
Okay, good. Who is that? Who is she? Huh?
Nurse.
A nurse. Okay, that is a nurse ya. The nurse is Korean. Orang Korea nurse-nya. Let's continue. Who is that? Bidan. How do you say bidan in English?
Wife.
Midwife.
Midwife.
Repeat after me. Midwife.
Midwife.
Midwife. Bidan.
Midwife.
Midwife.
Dan
My mother is a midwife.
my mother is a midwife.
I meet a midwife.
I meet a midwife.
Repeat one more time, please.
My mother is a midwife.
Uh-huh.
I meet a midwife.
Uh-huh. What is the meaning?
Saya adalah seorang bidan.
Uh-huh.
Saya menemui seorang bidan.
Nice. Let's go to number 5. Who is that?
Police.
Police. How do you say police in English?
Policeman.
Policeman or cop? Cop.
Cop.
Bahasa Inggrisnya ada 2 ya. Police itu bisa policeman, bisa juga cop.
Cop.
See the example. Please read.
My father is a cop.
Uh-huh.
I see a cop.
Nice. What is the meaning?
Ayah saya adalah seorang polisi.
Okay.
Saya melihat seorang polisi.
Okay. Let's go. Aha. Who is that?
Tentara.
Tentara. How do you say tentara in English?
Sol.
Soldier. Soldier.
Soldier.
Soldier.
Soldier.
Soldier.
Soldier.
Tentara.
Soldier.
Soldier.
Tentara.
Please read the example.
My brother is a soldier.
Uh-huh. Soldier.
Soldier. I see a soldier.
What is the meaning?
Kakak laki-laki saya adalah seorang tentara.
Mhm.
Saya melihat seorang tentara.
Okay, very good. Sister artinya saudari. Kalau lebih tua, older sister. Kalau lebih muda, kalau kakak, older sister. Kalau adik, younger sister. Brother artinya saudara. Kalau lebih tua, older brother. Kalau lebih muda, younger brother. How many older brothers do you have? 3. Who are your older brothers? Who are their names? Siapa namanya? Number 1, my older brother. That's me. My younger brother. That's number 2. And you are number what?
Wait,
Okay, Major Ibn number 4. Let's go to number 7. Who is that? What is that? Petani. How do you say petani? Please read the example.
Uncle is a farmer.
Mhm.
I speak with a farmer.
The meaning is
Paman saya adalah seorang petani.
okay.
Saya berbicara dengan seorang petani.
Smart. Yeah, you know some English. Let's go to number.
Nelayan.
What number is that?
8.
Okay, number 8.
H.
8.
H.
Good. How do you say nelayan?
Fish.
Fisherman.
Man.
Fisherman.
Fisherman.
What is fish?
Ikan.
Okay, fish is ikan. Fisherman, manusia ikan. Fisherman is nelayan. Repeat after me. Fisherman.
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 Nelayan.
Fisherman.
Fisherman.
Nelayan.
Please read the example.
My grandfather is a fisherman.
Mhm.
I speak with a fisherman.
I speak with a
Fisherman.
My grandfather. What is the meaning?
Kakek saya.
Let's go to number.
9.
Who is that? Oh, cloud. How do you say cloud in English? Sailor. Sailor.
Sailor.
Sail. Sailor.
Sailor.
Cloud.
Sailor.
Sailor. Please read the example.
He is a sailor.
Uh-huh.
I sit with a sailor.
Uh-huh. What is the meaning?
Dia adalah pelaut.
Okay.
Saya duduk dengan seorang pelaut.
Nice. Is that?
Darat.
Or
Sopir.
how do you say that in English?
Driver.
Driver. You know drive. Drive artinya mengendarai. Driver is driver.
Driver.
Sopir.
Driver.
Please read the example.
That man is a driver.
Uh-huh.
I sit behind the driver.
Okay. That man is a driver. What is the meaning? Apa artinya that? Kalau this kan ini ya. Kalau that itu. That artinya itu. Man artinya pria. That man is a driver.
Pria itu adalah seorang pengendara alias
Nice.
sopir.
Seorang sopir. I repeat after me. I sit behind the driver.
I sit behind the driver.
What is the meaning?
Saya duduk di belakang sopir.
Enggak di depan.
Tidak.
Enggak di belakang ya. Let's go to number. What number is that? Nomor berapa? 11. Repeat after me. Mechanic. Mechanic. Montir. Montir. Pernah lihat montir? Di mana?
Bengkel.
Okay, good. Please read the example.
Mechanic.
Uh-huh.
I wait for the mechanic.
The mechanic. What is the meaning?
Dia adalah seorang montir.
Uh-huh.
Saya menunggu.
Saya menunggu montir.
Saya menunggu montirnya.
The itu kadang-kadang nggak punya arti dia. Bisa juga berarti. Next is, what is that?
Penjaga toko.
Penjaga toko. How do you say it in English?
Shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper. Shop artinya? Good. Keeper.
Penjaga.
Shopkeeper.
Penjaga toko.
Okay. Read please.
My
Uh-huh.
neighbor.
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 Good. My neighbor.
My neighbor is a shopkeeper.
Mhm.
I tell the shopkeeper.
Good. I call.
I call
Uh-huh.
the shopkeeper.
My neighbor is a shopkeeper. What is the meaning?
I don't know.
You don't know the meaning of neighbor? Neighbor is my house is over here. There is a house. My house is over here. Mia's house is behind is over there. Mia and I are tetangga.
Tetangga.
Yes, neighbor is tetangga.
Tetangga saya adalah seorang penjaga toko.
Yes.
Saya memanggil penjaga toko.
Yes. Do you ever go to Alfamart? Indomart? What do you buy at Alfamart and Indomart?
Kasir.
Cashier. You buy a cashier? Belinya cashier. What do you buy? Sosis? Okay. After you finish buying, kalau setelah selesai belanja, you meet a cashier. Cashier.
Kasir.
Kita ngapain di cashier?
Bayar.
Repeat after me. Cashier.
Kasir.
Cash.
Cash.
Cash artinya uang. Cashier.
Cashier.
Bayar uang. Let's read the example.
She is a cashier.
She is a cashier.
I stand in front of the cashier.
You can say I stand in front of. Coba bilang in front of.
In front of.
Itu bisa kita sambung. In front of.
In front of.
In front of.
In front of.
Jadinya apa?
I stand in front of the cashier.
Oke, artinya dong.
Dia adalah seorang kasir. Saya berdiri di
Kalau behind di belakang, kalau front of in front of.
di depan kasir.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Sudah berapa nomornya ini? 12. Is that 12? 12 yang ini.
13.
Yes, 13. Who is that?
Dagang.
Pedagang. How do you say pedagang?
Seller.
Seller or
Vendor.
vendor? Seller or vendor? Please read the example.
Your uncle is a vendor.
Vendor.
You stand in front of a vendor.
Okay, good. Let's continue. Who is that?
Chef.
Chef or
Tukang masak.
tukang masak. Jadi chef itu chef, kalau tukang masak itu cook. Cook. Bedanya apa? Bedanya adalah kalau cook itu kayak chef tapi tugasnya hanya masak. Jadi dia berada di dapur dan masak. Tugas utamanya adalah masak. Kalau chef itu pemimpin daripada cook. Dia mengatur masak yang ini apa, masak ini apa. Dia nggak masak kalau chef itu, dia cuma mengatur dari segala macam. Kurang lebih begitu bisa jadi. Because I don't know. Please read the example.
Your father is a cook.
Mhm.
You watch the cook.
Your father is a cook.
Your father
Is a cook.
is
Isa.
a
Your father is a.
Your father is a
Your father is a cook.
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 Bisa. Your father is a cook. What is the meaning?
Ayahmu adalah seorang tukang masak.
Okay.
Kamu menonton tukang masak.
Do you ever watch MasterChef? Pernah nonton MasterChef? This is MasterChef. Apa itu?
Pelayan.
Pelayan. Cowok, cewek?
Cowok.
Kalau cowok kita bilangnya waiter.
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 Pelayan.
Waiter.
Waiter.
Pelayan.
Please read.
Your friend is a waiter. You watch the waiter.
Oke. Kalau cowok waiter, kalau cewek waitress.
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 Waitress. Waitress.
Waitress.
Pelayan cewek.
Waitress.
Waitress.
Pelayan cewek.
Please read the example.
Your best friend is a waitress. You call the waitress.
Okay, what is the meaning?
Sahabatmu adalah seorang pelayan cewek.
Okay.
Kamu memanggil pelayan cewek.
Alhamdulillah. Give me 5. We have 3 more. Are you ready for 3 more?
Ready.
With
Pengawan atau penjaga.
how do you say it in English? Security.
Secure.
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 Perfect, sempurna. Guard.
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 Security guard.
Guard.
Penjaga. Aman.
Guard. Penjaga.
Security.
Pengaman.
Please read the example.
Our uncle is a security. With the security.
Okay, what is the meaning? For uncle. Uncle. What is your uncle?
Paman. Kamu. Kalian.
Oke, you artinya kamu, anda, kalian. We artinya kita atau kami. Our adalah kita. Kalau you, kalau kalian itu you. Jadi our uncle, paman kami atau paman kita, yang mana? Mana aja boleh, dua-duanya.
Paman kami adalah seorang pengaman.
Ya, security, yes, our uncle tadi security. Atau village, you don't know. Security.
Kami datang ke pengaman.
Oke, ke petugas pengaman. What number? 9? 19. Penjaga gedung atau penjaga sekolah. Penjaga sekolah bisa, penjaga gedung yang lain juga bisa. Tugasnya apa? Menjaga, menutup kunci, mematikan lampu, membersihkan. How do you say it in English? Janitor. Janitor.
Janitor.
Janitor.
Janitor.
Penjaga sekolah?
Janitor.
Janitor.
Penjaga sekolah.
Siapa penjaga sekolah di sini? Oh, you don't know his name?
No.
Okay. Let's go to the example.
Our grandpa is a janitor. We help the janitor.
Okay. We help the janitor. What does it mean?
Kami membantu penjaga gedung.
This is the last. Kepala sekolah. Repeat after me. Headmaster.
Headmaster.
Headmaster. Atau principal. Principal. Kepala sekolah.
Headmaster.
Atau
Principal.
headmaster atau principal.
Kepala sekolah.
Please read the example.
Our father is a headmaster. We visit the headmaster.
We visit the headmaster. Artinya
Kami
Aha. Visit artinya
mengundang
mengunjungi. Aha.
kepala sekolah.
Okay, that is number berapa itu? 20. That is number 20. This is the last of the number. And thank you, we have finished our study for today. Sudah selesai kita belajar pada malam hari ini. Kita recordnya malam ya. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Yang mau yang mau request kita bahas apa, silahkan kita persiapkan. Thank you very much, Miss Mujuraimi. See you next time. Oke. Di pertemuan selanjutnya kita akan tes, ada quiz tentang yang ada di sini. Is it okay? Okay. That is all we say. We say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
These verbs will come
Yo, assalamualaikum, hai, my name is Badai, seorang guru random yang suka main game. And the last I say, don't forget to study.